Hey guys, Steve Gillette here, and I'm working on an augmented reality feature for my drone. And let me show you what that looks like with this little demo. So the drone is going to send us its GPS location and the distance to the target, and we're going to use that to do some calculations to translate that onto a third person's perspective. So here you can see we have a target at 300 degrees and 115-meter distance. So you can see the size that this would be a 6-foot tall target, and this is the heading of the camera right now. So if we close that one out and we can change, we'll make another target, let's say 330 degrees and 15 meters instead. You can see what a 6-foot target would look like at that distance and direction. And so your third party person can now see that target overlaid onto their perspective. So that's what we're working on. Drop me a DM and I will get you the link to our website and join our newsletter, and I appreciate you guys' support.